MOWAA and Oba of Benin court matter explained. On November 27, 2025, both MOWAA and the Oba of Benin went to court. Many people are watching this story because it involves culture, history, and the law. In this report, we'll explain everything in a very simple way that everyone will understand it. We will cover the court hearing, the cultural issues, the tension with the Edo State Assembly, the political side, and what will happen next. Please, before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Thank you. MOWAA is a museum that shows African arts and history. The museum is located in Benin Kingdom, the home of the Oba of Benin. The Oba of Benin is a traditional ruler. His role is to protect the culture and history of Edo people. Some people are happy because the museum can teach young people about art and history and attract tourists. Other people are worried that the museum might ignore traditions or disrespect the Oba. Before the court hearing, some people said there was conflict between MOWAA and the Oba. But both sides said they are not in fight, they just have issues they need to discuss and clarify. This story shows how modern institutions can interact with traditional authorities. On November 27, 2025, the court held a hearing in Benin City. Representatives from MOWAA and lawyers for the Oba of Benin were present. MOWAA said they respect the Oba and the culture. They also said they want to educate people about West African art and bring tourists to the area. The Oba lawyers said they only want to protect the culture and history. They are not against the museum. They just want to ensure that traditions are respected. The court did not make a final decision that day. The judge said that both sides made reasonable points. The judge advised them to return in February 2026 to resolve remaining issues. So the matter did not end in November 2025. Both sides agreed that peaceful discussion will help resolve the matter. This issue is very important for Edo culture. The Oba is a symbol of history, authority, and tradition. Some people worry that if MOWAA acts without the Oba's approval, it could offend the people. Others are happy because the museum can teach young people about African art and culture. The museum can also support tourism and increase pride in African heritage. This case shows that modern institutions can work with traditional leaders. Both sides can cooperate to educate people while respecting cultural values. The tension with Edo State House of Assembly. The Edo State House of Assembly is also involved. Some members said the culture is at risk, while others support the museum for education and tourism. This shows that politics is connected to cultural matters. Some politicians may use this issue to gain attention or popularity. Supporters of MOWAA are protecting the museum project. The Traditional Council is carefully monitoring to ensure culture is respected. Even though the court said peace is possible, people are watching political moves closely. This issue is not only about culture, politics is also involved. Edo State has upcoming elections. Some politicians may use this issue for their campaigns. Experts say the outcome may set a precedent for future cultural projects. If MOWAA and the Oba settles peacefully, it will show that modern institutions can cooperate with traditional authorities. But if conflict increases, it could divide the people, affect tourism, and discourage investment. People are watching how traditional rulers and modern institutions will balance authority. Many Edo people are discussing this issue online and on social media. Some are happy that the museum protects African art. Others are worried that Oba's authority may be ignored. Some people believe the museum and the Oba can work together. Others think the court will decide everything in February 2026. The public is watching how culture, law, and politics are connected. People hope for peaceful and fair resolution. Both MOWAA and Oba agreed to return in court in February 2026. They will discuss the unresolved issues. The court said that peaceful discussion will help both sides. Both parties said they are not in conflict. People hope that the agreement will protect culture and heritage while allowing the museum project to continue. This case shows how traditional and modern projects can intersect. Edo people value the Oba, culture, and history. The court hearing on November 27, 2025 shows that no serious conflict occurred. Both sides agreed that discussion will continue in February 2026. This story teaches us that respect for tradition and cooperation between modern projects and cultural leaders is important. Before we go, I want to ask you a question. What do you think about this MOWAA and Oba of Benin issue? 1. Does MOWAA respect the Oba and culture enough? 2. Is the court decision fair for both sides? 3. How can the museum work peacefully with the Oba and Edo people? 4. Could this issue affect culture, tourism, or politics in Edo State? 5. What do you want to see happen in February 2026? Please, we'd like you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay updated.